The subject for today is my dream for our black communities. My dream, similar to Martin Luther King's dream, is for peace, love, and harmony in our own communities. I dream of a community where I don't have to worry about my car being jacked. I dream of a community where I don't have to worry about being robbed. I dream of a community where I don't have to worry about my house being broken in. I dream of a community where our women don't have to worry about being raped. I dream of a community where education matters. I dream of a community where everyone that wants to work can work and has a job. I dream of a community where our children are safe to play on the streets. I dream of a community free of child predators. I dream of a community where our elders are not targets for crime. I dream of a community where truly Black lives matter and we never have to fear being killed for our possessions by one of our own people. And finally, I dream of a community that supports and uplifts each other. This is my dream for the community. Thank you.